हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल द सोशल टीचर। इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 10th केमिस्ट्री के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस जो आने वाले बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं उन्हें पढ़ेंगे। अगर आपने बिल्कुल भी तैयारी नहीं करी है तो ये क्वेश्चंस आपको 60 आउट ऑफ 80 दिलवा सकते हैं, और अगर आप इन्हें एज अ रिविजन देखना चाहेंगे तो आपके फुल मार्क्स भी आ सकते हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 1 केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड इक्वेशंस के साथ। सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाई शुड अ मैग्नीशियम रिबन बी क्लीन बिफोर बर्निंग इन एयर। ये आपका क्वेश्चन 2017 में आया है। साइड में मैंने हर क्वेश्चन के लिखा है कि एचबीएससी में ये कौन से सन में आया है, कौन से ईयर में आया है, तो आप इसे चेक कर सकते हैं। Question number 2 is write the balanced equation for the following chemical reactions. First is hydrogen plus chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. Second is barium chloride plus aluminium sulfate gives barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. Third is sodium plus water gives sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. Question number third is a solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. So आपको बताना है, first is name the substance X and write its formula. Second is write the reaction of the substance X named in one above with water. Question number 4 is why does the color of copper sulfate solution change when an iron nail is dipped in it? Question number 5, identify the substances that are oxidized and the substances that are reduced in the following reaction. First is 4Na plus O2 gives 2Na2O. Second is CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2O. Question number 6 is what are combination reactions? Give one example with a chemical equation. Question number 7, what are decomposition reaction? Give one example with the chemical equation. Question number 8, what are displacement reaction? Give one example with chemical equation. Question number 9, what is a double displacement reaction? Give an example with the chemical equation. Question number 10, what is a precipitation reaction? Illustrate with an example. Question number 11, what is an oxidation reduction reaction? Give one example. Question number 12 is what is an exothermic reaction? Give examples. Question number 13, what is an endothermic reaction? Give example. Question number 14, explain the following terms with one example each. First, corrosion. Second, rancidity. Question number 15th is why do we apply paint on iron articles? So ये आपके chapter number 1 के previous year plus important questions थे. Now we'll talk about chapter number 2 acid, bases and salt. Question number 1 is while diluting acid, why is it recommended that the acid should be added to water and not water to the acid? Question number 2 is why does distilled water not conduct electricity whereas rainwater does? Question number 3 is why should curd and sour substances not be kept in brass and copper vessels? Question number 4 is what is chlor-alkali process? Write the chemical equation for the reaction. Question number 5 is what is the chemical formula of washing soda? Give chemical equation of its preparation. Question number 6 is what is chemical formula of baking soda? Write the chemical equation for its preparation. Question number 7 is how is bleaching powder prepared and also write its uses? Write its chemical name and formula. Question number 8 is what is a neutralization reaction? Give one example. Question number 9, what is acid rain? Write its harmful effects. Question number 10 is explain the importance of pH in our daily life. तो आपके ये चैप्टर नंबर 2 के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस थे. Now we'll talk about chapter number 3 metals and non-metals. Question number 1 is why is sodium kept immersed in kerosene oil? Question number 2 is write equation for the reactions of first iron with steam calcium, second potassium with water. Question number 3 is why do ionic compounds have high melting points? Question number 4 is what are amphoteric oxides? Give two examples of amphoteric oxides. Question number 5, state two ways to prevent the rusting of iron. Question number 6 is name two metals which will displace hydrogen from dilute acids and two metals which will not. Question number 7 is identify the metals and metalloids among the following elements: sodium, silicon, germanium, lithium. Question number 8 is explain the meanings of malleable and ductile. Question number 9. What happens when metal reacts with water? Give an example. What is Thermite process? Write chemical equation of the process. Question number 10 is difference between a mineral and an ore. Question number 11. What do you understand by activity series of metal? Explain. Question number 12 is what is cinnabar? Name the metal obtained from cinnabar. Explain the excretion of metal with chemical equation. Question number 13. What happened on burning metals in air? Give one example. Second part is write a short note on electrolytic refining of metals. Question number ये थे आपके चैप्टर नंबर 3 के प्रीवियस ईयर प्लस इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट चैप्टर नंबर 4 कार्बन एंड इट्स कंपाउंड. Question number 1 is why is the conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid an oxidation reaction? Question number 2 is a mixture of oxygen and ethane is burned for welding. Can you tell why a mixture of ethene and air is not used? Question number 3, explain the nature of the covalent bond using the bond formation in CH3C. Question number 4 is what is hydrogenation? What is its industrial application? Question number 5, which is good for health, vegetable oil or animal fat and why? Question number 6 is what are saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons? Explain with giving suitable examples. Question number 7, draw the structures of the following compounds. First is propanol, second is methanol. Question number 8, draw the structures of cyclohexane and benzene. Question number 9 is what is meant by functional group? Give example. Question number 10, what are addition reactions? Give an example. Question number 11 is what is a substitution reaction? Give one example. Question number 12 is what happens when first ethanol is treated with the sodium metal, second ethanol is treated with ethanoic acid in acidic medium. Also give chemical equation of the reaction involved. Question number 13 is what is meant by saponification? Explain with an example. Question number 14 is explain the esterification by giving one example. Question number 15 is why are carbon and its compound used as fuels for most applications? Question number 16 is define the term heteroatoms and a functional group. Explain with example. तो ये थे आपके चैप्टर नंबर 4 के प्रीवियस ईयर प्लस इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Now we'll talk about chapter number 5 periodic classification of elements. इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में बायोलॉजी और फिजिक्स के भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 के साथ. नाइट्रोजन एटॉमिक नंबर 7 एंड फॉस्फोरस एटॉमिक नंबर 15 बिलोंग्स टू ग्रुप 15 ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल. Question number 2 is what are isotopes? Give one example. Question number 3 is why do you think the noble gases are placed in a separate group? Question number 4 is how does metallic character change on moving from top to bottom in a group in the modern periodic table? Give reason. Question number 5, how does atomic size vary on moving from top to bottom in a group in the modern periodic table? Give reason. Question number 6 is how does the metallic character change on moving from left to right across a period in the modern periodic table? Question number 7, what are the bases of Dominier triad? How many triads were made by Dominier? Question number 8 is how could the modern periodic table remove various anomalies of Mendeleev periodic table? So this was the last question of this video. नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में हम बायोलॉजी और फिजिक्स के बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू सो मच.